In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT error code 1020. Let's get started. For our first solution, I go up to the top right corner of my Chrome browser and click on the three dots to open the menu. I select Delete Browsing Data. To enhance our browser performance, I click on the time range dropdown and select Last 4 weeks. Then, I click the Delete Data button to clear it. I head back over to the ChatGPT tab. If you are still getting the error, we will try the second solution for a deeper analysis of site-specific data. I click on the site information icon next to the URL and choose Site Settings. Here, I click the Delete Data button to optimize the browser storage, and confirm by clicking Delete on the pop-up. I navigate back to the ChatGPT tab once more. I click the site information icon again, select Cookies and Site Data, and then open Manage on Device Site Data. To carefully analyze and clear specific background items, I click the trashcan icon next to auth.openai.com, and do the same for openai.com. I click Done. Then, I click the Reload button at the top to apply these enhanced settings. Once the page refreshes, I click Log In. I select Continue with Google to authenticate my session. If the issue persists, our third solution is to refresh and enhance our network configuration. I move down to the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. I open it from the search results. I locate my active Wi-Fi connection, right-click it, and select Properties. I click on Internet Protocol version 4 to select it for analysis, and click the Properties button. I choose the option to use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, I type 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, I type 8.8.4.4. I click OK to save, and close the Wi-Fi Properties window. Next, I go back to the Windows search bar and type CMD. I open the command prompt. To thoroughly flush the system's network cache, I type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Finally, I type netsh winsock reset and press Enter to complete the network enhancement process. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.